welcome to Sue's in the Shed, and today I'd like to show you how to make this pretty dried flowered photo frame. And as you can see, it's got a really nice swirl about it on the glass and it looks quite pretty. So let's get going. So what you're going to need for this project is some Mod Podge. I've got the luster one. You need a photo frame. You can get these at the charity shop or anywhere. Just a small photo frame and some pressed flowers. Now, if you haven't got time to press these yourself, you can, of course, buy them online already pressed, or even just artificial flowers. So I've got quite a few to choose from there, and I'll decide once the frame's done. So the first thing you're going to do is unwrap your frame and give the glass a good clean. Just going to take it out of the frame. And this is the piece we're going to be using for the next bit. So give that a good clean. I've just put fingerprints back on it. Just pop it back into the frame like that. You need to close down the sides. We're not going to use the backboard. And on to the next bit. So now we're going to take your Mod Podge, and you can either use a brush or your fingers. Just simply put glue all over the glass. Looks a bit messy. Well, it is a bit messy, really. There you go. Now you can see I've put plenty on it. Now you can either use it like that, leave that design, or you can get it with your fingers and give it a little swirl. Just like that. Now the next thing you want to do is decide which flowers you want to put on. And you're going to lay them face down, wherever you want them. Just like that. I think I'll put this other one in. Will I? No, maybe I'll put this one in. Yeah, that works quite well. And I'm just going to very carefully pop a little bit of Mod Podge just on the top of the flowers. I don't want to ruin my swirly design from the other side, so just being careful just to put it on top of the flower, and gently, because dried flowers can be a little bit fragile. Just mess that swirl up a bit. I'll pop it back in. And this is what it'll look like from the other side. Just wait till that dries. And this is what it looks like when it's finished. It looks really good actually if you put it in front of the window, but it's dark when I'm shooting this and you can't see anything outside. But try it. And thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed this tutorial, feel free to subscribe and I'll see you at the next one. Happy crafting!